guys, welcome back to my channel Gauri Dances. So usually I do dances, but today I'm going to be doing a slime review. Da, 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 da. So guys, here I've got this unicorn mud slime. The slime is like a water plus normal slime. There were only 3 colors in the unicorn slime. There were green, pink and yellow. I didn't want it to be too girlish or boyish, so I decided to choose a little in the middle. So the slime is a really good consistency, but it smells really bad. It smells like, detergent and kind of stuff, like a bad detergent. And these and I even got a unicorn charm along with it. It's got like a keychain. So guys, at the end of the day, now my rating will be 9 out of 10. It's a really good slime and it's got a good texture. Okay,